Hello, in this video we're going to learn how to create account group in Strategic ERP. So basically to create account group in finance, you need to open finance module and select the form accounts group. In this form you have to fill the required details like you have to provide the account head under which head you are going to create that particular group. So whether it is in trading, profit and loss or balance sheet. So you have to choose accordingly. Once you choose account group, you need to provide the name of group, which group you are going to create. Like if I am going to create a group Goa creditors. Now you need to provide parent group. If applicable, you can provide parent group to that particular group. So suppose I want to keep this group under syndicators. So I will provide syndicators as a parent group. So in my balance sheet, that particular group will be visible under the syndicators. In account, in group head, you need to provide the head of balance sheet under which head this group will show. So there are two heads in balance sheet. One is liability and one is asset. So you need to provide here. You need to select liability here. You can also provide Schedule 3 note number if applicable. If you want to generate Schedule 3 balance sheet through Strategic ERP, you can provide the Schedule 3 note number as well. And then you will click on the Save button. Once you click on the Save button, the account group is now created. Uh, some additional information is that if you want to know how many ledgers are created under that group, you can click on the list of ledgers and you will find out the list how many ledgers are created under this group. Also, if you want to know how many subgroups are created under this ledger, you can click on list of group and you will find the list. For an example, if I select syndicators here, and I want to know how many groups are created under the syndicators. So here system is showing me two groups, one which I recently created, Goa creators, and other is Delhi creators. If I want to know how many ledgers are created under this syndicators group, then I'll click on the list of ledgers. These many ledgers are created under the group of syndicators. So that's it. I hope you like it. Thanks.